Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and we're out at Isla Mirada, the new luxury townhomes by DRB, here at the nation's largest 15-acre lagoon at Mirada. We're outside of the Bimini model home here. As you can see, this is going to be the outside units of the townhomes here at Isla Mirada. Let's go check it out. All right, so the Bimini floor plan, you could build as a 3-bedroom with a loft. The model we're going to see today is going to be a 4-bedroom. This is going to give you 2.5 baths, 1,955 square feet, and a 2-car garage. As you can see, this is a wide open concept. So you got a nice kitchen, center island, quartz countertops. Now again, with this builder, DRB Homes, they're semi-custom, so you could design this however you want. So if you have a color pattern, if you want some accent walls, backsplash, you could do it up however you want. Check this out. This backs onto the nation's largest 15.2 acre lagoon here at Mirada. So imagine if you had one of these units that back onto the lagoon. That's what your backyard's going to look like. So we have a nice spacious living room here. This is going to flow over to your kitchen area. Again, you got breakfast bar seating here. You got space to put a dining room table. Now you also have your own covered brick paver patio. This one's actually screened in, so you don't have to worry about any bugs. And again, you have million-dollar views right from your backyard overlooking the Mirada Lagoon. All right, so we're gonna head back in. Now again, this is an exterior unit, so this is gonna be your front door. This will lead you into your 2-car garage. Now around this little corridor, you do have your half bathroom, which is perfect to service all your guests. Check this out. We have a little Harry Potter room. All right, now we're gonna head upstairs and check out the rest of the house. So upstairs, on this model, again, we're going to have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and we're going to start in the back of the home. This is going to be the owner's suite, and this is just going to blow you away. You got a nice, spacious owner's suite, a huge triple window, and guys, check this out again. You could actually own a piece of paradise here at Mirada. Now, again, with this builder, you could do some accent walls. You could actually choose your flooring, your color pattern, and wait until you see this huge walk-in closet. This is like a whole nother room in here. We're gonna head into the ensuite bathroom. We have a huge vanity here, quartz countertops, dual sinks, nice cabinetry. Again, they're semi-custom, so you could pick any color scheme you want. And we have a nice walk-in glass enclosed shower over here. The first room off the owner suite, this room is a 4th bedroom, but you could build this as an open loft concept. So this is what it would look like as a 4th bedroom option. Now directly across from this, we do have an upstairs laundry room, big front loader, washer, dryer. And then over on this side, we have some cabinetry. Again, they're semi-custom, so if you want to add cabinetry or a laundry sink, you design it however you want. This is a split plan, so your other bedrooms are going to be on this other wing. So this is going to be bedroom number 2. And again, what I like about this builder is their windows bringing in all the natural light. And this is a perfect good sized bedroom for the kids. And we're gonna head out to the other bedroom. So this will be bedroom number 3. Turn the corner here, and this is gonna be set up as like a little baby's nursery here. And again, if you like these accent walls, if you like this lighting, you get to design it however you want. All right, now when you come out here, you're gonna have another full bathroom here that will service these bedrooms. You got a nice quartz vanity here and a tub shower combo. You guys tell me what you think about the Bimini floor plan here at Isla Mirada by DRB Homes. If you're interested in touring the Bimini floor plan or living the lagoon life here at Mirada, give me a call, 813-587-2424. Please make sure you like and subscribe and click the link in the description for more information. And I'll see you in the next video.